everybody, it's me, Miss U, and we're going to work on number 19 to the end of the packet. A student graphed PQR in the coordinate as shown, and now we're reflecting it over the x-axis to create EFG. Okay, so we're reflecting it. And instead of primes, you're going to use EFG. So P goes with E, P goes with E, Q goes with F, and G goes where R is, okay? And so they want to know what is E. E is -1, -1. A student performed a single different transformation on PQR to create JKL. Okay, so here's PQR. We're going back to the original shape, and the coordinates of K is 4, 1. So here I have 4, 1. This is K, and somehow we needed to transform. K is the middle one, and Q is the middle one. We have to somehow get Q to K, and how would that be done? The most popular answer is reflect over the y-axis. Another answer would be translate 8 units to the right. Okay. Another question is describe a single transformation the student can perform on PQR so that its image UVW is similar but not congruent to PQR. So the only transformation you could do, of course, is dilation, and you could do anything. So I'm going to say dilation with a scale factor equal to, or you could write K, which is equal to 2, but you could put a half, you could put any number you want. I like 2 because it's easy, you just double the numbers. Now it says, what will be the coordinates of vertex W? So what is vertex W? W is over here, UVW, and it corresponds to R, so we're interested in point R. What will be the coordinates of vertex W after the student performs the transformation described in C? Okay. So let's go to, we want a dilation with a scale factor of 2. So we want to, what is the point C? So R is -4, R is -4, 4, and we're going to now, with a scale factor equal to 2, or K is equal to 2, either way you write it, they're both right. Our W is going to become -8 and 8. And that is how you do this MCAS problem. Okay? And we are going to do this one over here. It's rotated 180 degrees clockwise about the origin. 180 degrees clockwise about the origin. So now we are looking for, remember, xy becomes -x, -y. Oh, I think we already did this one without the drawing, so here we go. That's the answer. What are we looking at here? We're looking at a translation. It just is a slide. Okay. It's now blurry. There we go. It's a slide. We're going to turn the page again. Okay. This is a reflection. Okay. And it looks like a reflection, and this is a rotation. So we're just going to finish up and doing a few quick one-liners. Okay. What happens when we go counterclockwise 90 degrees? So I like to start off at XY, and I go counterclockwise. This is how I develop all my rules. I don't memorize it. I divide it. I kind of sketch in the corner, but if you want to memorize it, you could. And I go counterclockwise, so this becomes 90 degrees. It's going to be yx, and there it is, negative yx. That is my rule, negative yx. Okay, I examined the coordinate plane. What are the new coordinates if you translate 7, 6 counterclockwise? Okay, what are the new coordinates if you translate 7, 6 negative 6, 7? Okay. What if you translated negative 3, 4 counterclockwise? So right away I'm going to have 4, negative 3, and I end up with negative yx, and this becomes negative also. Last two, if we reflect this over the x-axis, x stays the same. So it's 17 minus 31. And what if we translate this 8 units? I'm going to say up, and 5 units right. This becomes 17 and 0. Oh, I got it backwards. So right, 5 units right, it becomes x plus 5 and y plus 8, and that's what I have to add. So it becomes 14 and y 3. And that, we are now done with the study guide. Hope you do well on the assessment.